Hey everyone, welcome back to We're Looking at Polestar. Polestar begins offering micro leases in the United States ahead of the 3 market launch. Yes, the Polestar 3 is coming to the States and the European market next year in 2023. It's quite exciting. Not just the Polestar 3, Volvo EX90 is also coming to the market next year as well, and the Polestar 4 Coupe SUV is also coming to the market as well. It's quite an exciting time to be a Polestar fan, to be a Volvo fan. We've got some new cars coming to the market and it's going to be wonderful. Now, many consumers are hesitant to splurge on a new EV given how quickly the industry and the technology are developing. A growing number of companies in the US are offering prospective car buyers the so-called micro leases and filing to avoid left behind by many car makers backing away from short-lived subscription services. One of the firms adopting the new strategy is Polestar. It launched a new flexible lease program in October and allows shoppers to lease the Polestar 2 for just a few months. The electric car maker hopes that it can get drivers into the seat of the highly rated electric sedan, and by the time the new Polestar 3 is ready, they'll upgrade to a newer and more expensive model. Polestar says that roughly 50% of its customers have opted for short-term leases since the program has begun. 50%, that's remarkable, to be quite honest. Remarkable. So if this is a strategy that could work for Polestar, completely for it. I'm completely agreeing with it. Micro leases, well suited to EV industry, with most early adopters having already purchased an EV. The overall demand is starting to fall, in parts because of how quickly the market is developing. Not only are the technology found within EVs improving at dramatic rates, but the number of electric cars on sale in US next year is expected to jump by 20 to 30% and will include a host of compelling new products from the likes of Volkswagen and Hyundai. But of course, don't forget Polestar and Volvo. Boston Consulting Group principal Philippe Sadek notes that the short-term leases can help car makers and dealers monetize growing EV inventories and believe that they will account for up to 15% of new car transactions globally quite soon. This is what they're expecting at least. So many car brands offer monthly subscription between 2017 and 2019, but most have cancelled these programs due to the waning popularity. In parts, most people don't want to change cars every month. Micro leases are starting to fill the void left by these subscription services, and AutoNations have started to offer 6 to 12-month leases for its 250 dealerships across the USA. So ladies and gents, let me know, do you think this is a great thing for Polestar? Is this a great thing for Polestar to offer micro leases at a short-term rate in order to get these customers more keen to buy another future electric vehicle from Polestar, like the Polestar 3, the Polestar 4, or perhaps even buying a Polestar 2 full-time? Now, why is Polestar doing this? Well, this is all in an attempt to get you used to the brand before committing to a long-term contract. The flexible lease programs allow you to end the lease after 5 months and 5 payments with no early termination penalty. There is $450 deposit fee. Not to mention through the program, the 2024 Polestar 2 long-range single motor variant is available to lease for $349 per month for up to 24 months. That's with $5,349 due at sign-in. So this is the new Polestar 2, the 2024 Polestar 2. It's been upgraded, it's been improved software, it's been improved battery-wise, it's been improved in performance. So many different areas this car has been improved. And some would say it's been improved with the look. Some people don't like the fact that they've gotten rid of the grille, but some people like it because they think it's more sleek, it's more simplistic, and it adds a different touch, a different feel to what Polestar is trying to accomplish in the near future. And Polestar calls this a smart zone. This is where the car holds all the smart bits of technology. This is where it gets all the smart inputs. Very clever. So the Polestar 2 long range features up to 320 miles of range and 205 kilowatts DC fast charging. The head of Polestar North America explained that the new program allows customers to lease a vehicle with a flexible, not normally permitted by a traditional lease. So Polestar wants to offer consumers more flexibility. They want to say, hey, give it a go. Just try the vehicle. If you don't like it, we can always get you to return it. But if you do like it, you can get one of these in the future, or you can get one of our new SUVs. Polestar 3 is coming next year and it's going to be huge. It's going to be extremely well built. Performance will be great. Comfort will be great. And not to mention, this car looks incredible in all capacity. So we know that Polestar is intending to offer this program in its upcoming Polestar 3 and 4. Andy Axelrod, who manages retail programs and subscriptions at Volvo Cars USA, he's expecting participation to increase with the Volvo EX30. That's the small electric SUV by Volvo. Extremely affordable. That car will do extremely well. And the EX90 out next year. Wow. Polestar is coming with 2 vehicles next year. Volvo is coming with 2 vehicles next year. You see, my brands are coming strong. We're not here to just smile and wait at the door. We're here to compete full time. Now we're in the position to take a look at the shares actually. This is a great time to take a look at the shares. Market cap, 4.77 billion. And I would say, I would continue to reiterate, this company, it is a little bit undervalued. The good thing is that Polestar, they have low debt and they have a lot of cash on hand that they can use to continue investing in the company, which is good of course. Let's take a look at the revenue of Polestar. Starting this year, over 500 million in revenue. That's in Q1. In Q2, almost 700 million in revenue. In Q3, over 600 million. In Q4, we're expecting over 700 million. So this year, Polestar is easily accomplishing 2 billion in revenue alone. And the market cap is under 5 billion. So let me get this right. In approximately 2 years, this company could eclipse their market cap in revenues alone, not profit, revenues. Yeah, I would call that a undervalued company. Companies usually try to do that in 10 years. They try to usually, the question is, can you eclipse your market cap in 10 years? Polestar can do that in 2 years. It's like this company continues to get undervalued day after day. And it's really incredible for me because I'm trying to understand the business as well as possible. Now, that even more incredible, they're bringing new vehicles to the market, 2 new vehicles next year. So we're looking to accomplish a lot more in sales, revenue. These vehicles are highly priced. The Polestar 3 are priced higher, much higher than the Polestar 2. The Polestar 4 is somewhere in between the Polestar 2 and the Polestar 3. The names make it confusing, but in terms of price, so these vehicles are more, they cost more. The margins Polestar will be able to make on these vehicles are more. Is it even possible that Polestar might even be able to double revenue by next year? At least 1 quarter next year, we're looking for Polestar to accomplish over 1 billion in revenue. Is it even possible? I'm not saying it's quarter 1, but I'm saying quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, it's possible. We could accomplish over 1 billion in revenue sales. That's incredible. We're looking at 3 to 4 billion next year in revenue. Add that on to this year in revenue. Yeah, they're going to eclipse their market cap. That is undervalued. But hey, shh, this is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion, okay? Not to mention, these vehicles, they will start in low numbers next year. Deliveries will be in low numbers, true. But as the years go on, deliveries numbers will continue to rise. And next year, they're unveiling the Polestar 5. In 2025, the Polestar 5 will be on the market as well. So Polestar is looking to bring out a new vehicle in 2025, and in 2026 or 2027, they're looking to bring out the Polestar 6 Roadster. The luxurious sedan, the Polestar 5, that's going to be a kicker. That's going to do extremely well because this is a real competitor to the Audi e-tron, to the Porsche Taycan. It will do particularly well. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to see more, leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Peace.